Stop taking my picture, Casey.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Stop recording me.
I'm
What are you doing?
I'm not recording you.
Yes, you are. I know you are. I have bad leg circulation.
That's what they calling it these days.
So whatever. Look, I mean, just look, I'm really sorry about whatever is going on in your marriage, but
Why couldn't you record when she was giving him a blowjob at the movie theater? See, you're gonna put that up now. Stop recording. I'm not gonna do anything funny. I'm just stretching.
I been stopped recording.
Why is the flashlight on? Turn it
Oh.
on.